Question 45, the equation of a line is shown. That equation is currently in standard form, which is not that useful of a form. A dilation centered at the origin with the scale factor of 6 is applied to the line. It wants to know what the slope is after the dilation and what the value of the y-intercept is after the dilation. Well, the slope doesn't change. So we need to find the slope, and that's going to be the answer. The y-intercept is going to be multiplied by the scale factor. So that is going to change. So we need to find the y-intercept and the slope. If we get this equation in slope-intercept form by subtracting 6x from both sides, we're going to get negative 3y is negative 6x plus 5. Then if we divide each term by negative 3, we're going to get this for our line in slope-intercept form. That makes the slope 2. That makes the y-intercept negative 5/3. If you do a dilation, the slope does not change. So part A, what's the slope? It's just 2. You don't need to put m equals, just put the number 2, put nothing else. What's the value of the y-intercept? Well, we take that and we multiply it by the scale factor. It says the scale factor is 6. When you multiply two fractions, you multiply the tops together and the bottoms. Something tells me I made a mistake here. Yeah, I did not make a mistake. So that's negative 10. The state will also accept for your answer, like if you don't simplify your fractions, for example, if you just divide this and you make this 6 over 3x, you could have written that down here for the answer. It will also accept you writing negative 30 over 3 for this answer instead of negative 10. You don't have to simplify things on the state test, which is nice. Long story short, the slope doesn't change after a dilation. The y-intercept does change after dilation. Done.